In these videos, we answer the quick question, what is it? Now, what is a protein skimmer? Well, unfortunately, it's not a rocket, so it doesn't project way off into space or blow up into smithereens. It's far more interesting. A protein skimmer is a super toilet for your saltwater aquarium. Now, what makes it super? Well, it not only collects animal waste, but leftover food, excess bacteria, toxins, and unwanted organisms. It does all this efficiently and deserves its badge within the Filtration Club. Way to go, Protein Skimmer! Now let's check out how it works. Well, for starters, protein skimmers don't underestimate the power of bubbles. For some odd reason, organics are just as obsessed with the bubbles as we are. Isn't that right, Finn? 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 Oh, whatever. The organic waste, in the form of tiny molecules, are attracted to the surface of these bubbles. Once they are caught, they are sent up through a chamber and up into a collection cup. This cup is then periodically emptied, keeping the tank water clean. All the bubbles are created by a submersible pump and bubble plate. The pump draws in the salt water through the intake. Inside the pump, it has a needle wheel impeller that chops up bubbles into smaller ones. The bubble plate reduces turbulence and directs the bubbles upward through the chamber. The pump has a silencer attached to its intake, which is super important, unless you want to listen to gurgling sounds while watching your favorite show. Anyways, these bubbles start creating a foam full of waste called skimmate. The skimmer's water level can be dialed in with the flow control knob. Many skimmers also have a drain fitting for those who want a larger container to collect the waste. Protein skimmers range in various proportions and shapes. The smaller ones are called nano skimmers, while the larger ones are usually in-sump skimmers. There are hang-on back skimmers, in-tank skimmers, in-sump skimmers, and external skimmers, all of which work very similarly and are important for saltwater aquariums. Choosing a skimmer depends on your tank size, equipment, and personal preference. This brings us to the end of the video. If you found it helpful, be sure to thank Finn and subscribe and like. Stay tuned for more videos as we answer the quick question, what is it? As always, thank you for tuning in, and let's build a better aquarium together.